Come on, little girl, put your hand in my hand. Come on, little honey, let me tell you what I'm feeling. I was on the floor, on the bottom when I thought of you. Now we can forget it, 'cause I'm starting to believe it. To believe it. Yeah, I can be a soldier when you're telling me to soldier on. I can be a fighter when you're telling me to fight it. I can be a hero when you're here, when you're here with me. I can be forgotten if you tell me to forget it. To forget it. Yeah, I can be forgotten if you tell me to forget it. I can be forgotten if you tell me to forget it.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a fun smoky blue eye. It's really simple. First I'm going to be taking the Milani eyeshadow primer and the Wet n Wild concealer, putting that on the back of my hand, mixing it together and applying it on my eye. It is a great base and it adds some extra coverage on the eye. Next I'm going to be taking my BH Cosmetics matte eyeshadow palette, and you can just use powder for this. I decided to use this shade because it is pretty close to my skin color, but face powder would work great here as well. I'm just applying that all over my eyelid, all the way up to my brow, kind of setting that concealer and primer. So for the transition color, I'm just taking this light brown on a big fluffy brush, and I'm going to be using that in my crease and above my crease. Again, just using this as our transition shade. So to make sure those edges are nice and blended out, I'm going to be taking that first powder light shade, and I'm going to be applying that on the outer edges, and then again going back in with our transition shade and blending that out. I'm going to start to apply that blue. I am mixing two different blues. It is not necessary. They were just next to each other, so I decided to go for it. But I'm just going to be going back and forth right in my crease. So again, grabbing those colors and sticking it first on the outer edge of the eye, just because I want it darkest in that area, and then blending it back and forth. Then I'm going to be blending out that blue that I stuck in my crease. And just going back and forth, so I am going to speed through this because honestly you could sit here for hours and watch blending. When in doubt, blend it out. Now to darken it up even more, I'm going to be mixing a little bit black, and I'm just going to be placing that on the outer edge at first, and then again blending it back and forth. Alright, now on a flat eyeshadow brush, I'm going to be taking that white and pressing that on the inner eyelid and on the center. And this is just going to brighten things up and give that gradient effect, going from light to dark. Then with my finger, I'm going to be taking that lighter shade of blue. Then I'm going to be applying it right in the middle of my eyelid. Again, giving it that gradient effect. Again, going in and darkening up that blue. And then blending everything out. Then going in with that white color and applying it on the inner corner of the eye as well as under my eyebrow, and then using that transition brush to really blend things out, making sure there are no harsh edges. Alright, now for some eyeliner. This is the Revlon Skinny Eyeliner. It is liquid and I am going to be doing a wing. Alright, now I'm going to be going in with the Salon Perfect number 614 lashes and applying those with the Revlon glue. Now I'm going to be taking the black in the palette and making sure that I set my eyeliner just to make sure that it doesn't go anywhere or smudge. And it also is going to be hiding the glue that might be poking through on my lash band. And of course you can't forget mascara. I'm going to use the Maybelline Big Lash Mascara, I believe it's called. But I'm just blending in my real lashes with the false ones. And I went ahead and skipped over me filling my brows. So then again, I'm just going to be going in, touching everything up, blending out those harsh edges. Next, I applied some moisturizer to my face. And voila, the rest of my face is done. Now I'm going to be going in with my under eye color, and that is the same color that we used for the crease. Starting with a small brush, packing that on the outer edges, and then blending in. Again, taking the blending brush and blending that color out. And that is it for this look. I hope you guys enjoyed, and make sure to leave your requests in the comments below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
I'm the highest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes